make the inspired McDonald's fish fillet sandwich using DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so the best part of any sandwich is the sauce. So we're gonna make this tartar sauce for the fish fillet sandwich, or inspired fish fillet, McDonald's fish fillet sandwich. So we're gonna be using the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce as our base. So this is another way you can use one of DivineKuizine's products. As you know, DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce you can use, it's like a dressing, so you can use it in various ways. For like this tartar sauce we're getting ready to make, or you can use it, you know, just on dipping on your fish. You can use it on your fish sandwiches, your shrimp, all different ways. To get more recipes on how to use it, go to DivineKuizine.com, or we have a slew of recipes on YouTube on how I'm using any of DivineKuizine's products. So let's get started on how to do the sauce for this fish fillet sandwich. We have the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce as our base. So I have some dill pickles. So we're gonna put some dill pickles in here. And we're not gonna use much because everything is already pretty much a great base, the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. And so we have some fresh dill. And then we're going to take a little bit of, for some more acidity, a little bit of lemon. I'm going to put that in there. And then we're just going to whisk all this together. And we didn't have to add anything else because, like I said, this is a great base. Like for your potato salads, like this tartar sauce that we're making, or you could have just had it just like that, but I did want a little more of that tart taste. So this is what the tartar sauce looks like, nice and yummy. So now we're getting ready to go on to the next step of seasoning our fish. So I have 2 fillets of cod, but you can use any type of white fish that you like to use, but I like cod. It's flaky, it's kind of got a little thickness to it, so that's what I decided to do. Salt. So I'm gonna lightly salt it with salt on both sides, and then I'm going to season the batter with the rest of the seasonings. So just lightly salt your fish. And then we're gonna take that to the side. And then we have this bowl where we're gonna go ahead and make our batter that we're gonna fry our fish in. So we have some all-purpose flour, and we're gonna do about 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we have some cornstarch here, and that's gonna give it a little more of that crisp. 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Then the fun part, we're gonna season. So we have some Obey seasoning, and I'll put the measurements, I'm kind of eyeballing, but I'll put some measurements down on our website when you get the recipe. Onion powder, garlic powder, a bit of seasoned pepper, you know, my favorite. And I used to like Filet-O-Fish, and we're just gonna do a tad bit of salt, not a lot, because we've already kind of salted our fish, right? And I used to like Filet-O-Fish back, you know, when I used to eat at McDonald's. I don't eat at McDonald's as much at all anymore, but when I was younger, I ate, you know, go to McDonald's, and those Filet-O-Fish sandwich was hitting. So I said, why not make that nostalgia recreation of the McDonald's fish fillet? So we're just gonna whisk. This is gonna be a wet batter. So we have 1 egg. We have our 1 egg in here, and we have some soda, club soda, but you could use sparkling water, you could use beer, you could use, you know, anything that's kind of gonna fizz it up, but I have some club soda. So we're gonna use the club soda for the fish. You see, I probably shouldn't have shook it up. So I'm gonna put some of that in there, and this is gonna give us kind of like that fizziness. It's gonna give us a lighter batter. But like I said, you could use beer, sparkling water. Okay, so we've done that. So now I'm going to get, so it looks like this, just some batter like this. So we're gonna do the wet and dry. So we have our 2 fish fillets, and we've lightly seasoned them with salt, and so then we're gonna lightly flour them, and then we're gonna put them in the wet batter, and then we're gonna fry them. So it'll look like that, lightly battered, lightly fried, lightly floured. Okay, y'all, so we had a little bit of the flour, so now we're gonna dip it into our wet batter, and you're gonna try to get some of the excess off, and then you're gonna put it into your hot oil. I'm using peanut oil, but whatever oil that you want to use. And we're gonna fry this until it gets nice and golden. Okay, y'all, so I have some of the remoulade sauce. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of it on it. We're gonna toast these buns in the oven. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit of the remoulade sauce on the bottom bun. And then we're gonna take our slices of cheese, because you know the fish fillet always had cheese. And then we're just gonna put these in the oven and just let it toast up. Hey y'all, so I've toasted the buns with the cheese. It's nice and melted on there. So we're gonna take our nice fish. Put it on. I'm gonna do one at a time. Put it on. And then we have this nice tartar that we made with the DivineKuizine remoulade. So we're gonna, you wanna have a lot of that spilling over. Put it on the bun. This is, I'm a saucy girl, and this is like the best part of the sandwich. Was that tartar sauce. Make one more, so you guys can see it again. So the fish fillet, the nice crispy, and it turned out nice golden brown. Put some of that tartar on there. That we made with the DivineKuizine remoulade sauce. See, I'm always giving y'all recipes on how to use the DivineKuizine and just recipes in general. So go ahead and like, subscribe, make it. Tell me what you think about it. Become one of my subbies on YouTube. So there we go. The copycat fish fillet sandwich from McDonald's. So let's go in and taste. Okay, y'all, so we getting ready to taste this yummy fish fillet sandwich using DivineKuizine's remoulade sauce with the cheese. This is a fish fillet from McDonald's that you can make at home. You don't even have to go to Mickey D's, and it's healthier. Oh my God. Okay. No exaggerating. Y'all gotta make this. It is so good.